Hello writers! Today we're going to practice an elaboration technique that you will use when you start your own writing piece. Writers of nonfiction include details to explicitly teach their readers, so they have to be specific. This means they're going to share facts, thoughts, examples, and other sorts of details. I'm going to show you a strategy called filling in categories with details. So our first step is to think about our category that we want to talk or write about. The second step, we have to share a lot of details, a whole bunch of details, including facts, thoughts, examples, numbers or statistics, text features, quotes, marking details that are most helpful. So when it came to picking my category, I kept it similar to other pieces that I've talked about and written. So where beaches are found. First, I thought about my category, which was, like I said, where beaches are found. Then I shared a whole bunch of details, including a fact, an example, a thought, and a statistic and a quote. I found the fact, the example, and the statistic most helpful. So, here I have beaches are not only found by the ocean, they are also found by lakes and bays. This is my fact, and I marked it. For example, you can find beaches at the New Jersey shore and on the edge of one of the greatest lakes. That's my example. Wherever the beach is, there is something beautiful about the place where the water meets the land. That's my own personal thought. There are countless numbers of beaches to visit in our country and around the world. That is a statistic. There are multiple beaches. I am most rested after I visit the beach, say many people. That is my quote. So when writing about my topic, where beaches are found, I used my strategy to fill it with as much detail as I could. I want to intrigue my reader with my writing, and I want to make it as relatable and factual as I can. Next time you're writing, I want you to add more details to your writing or elaboration using this strategy. Enjoy.